fabulous.
Team Raven.
That's their trademark formation
Wait, we'll come back.
And just perfect sky.
The gyro said I think it was 2 o'clock, it said on the piece of paper, so it's changed.
Very challenging, particularly for the guys on the outside. Of course, you see the Red Arrows doing these all the time, but I can assure you it takes years and years of dedication and hard work, an awful lot of trust as well for the guys.
God, it is a bit windy for them, like, isn't it?
Each other, and led by Sid Shirley. He's actually one of the leader.
These flew up together, yeah?
He's also an instructor on the Grog as well.
They actually flew up to come into the
basic introductory airframe for training all military pilots. He's got about 4,000 hours all the time now, and went into 4 or 5 seasons with this particular team. Done a great job putting it all together. They're going to pull up now into what's called the underside pass, and you'll see all the aircraft now.
Easy.
Cheers, Dean.
As they pull out, you'll see Raven 5 now.
Guys, gone up.
He also used to fly Air Force aircraft. He flew the Nimrod MR2, and then
Solo, I think.
The Tornado GR1.
Oh my god. Did he go? Oh my god, no. Look how high he's gone.
Now, a training captain flies the Airbus 330 and 321. It's got well over 20,000 hours, this guy, so he knows a thing or two about aviation. You may hear in the background, I'm just monitoring Sid's commands to the rest of the team as he pulls the rest of the formation, now changing to prepare for their Stinger maneuver. So here they're coming in now in their 4-ship formation. Mark moving out, turning them now to the Stinger barrel roll.
Barrel roll.
And really brilliantly well done. There we go, that's Sid in the background there, just calmly bringing them all back into order again. Of course, they're only about 8 to 10 feet apart in that sort of manoeuvre, and as they go round that roll, then that is just trying to manoeuvre around the outside of the...
Oh, there's one. Oh, look. It's going to be a little hot. These actually do hearts, actually.
Well, it's Raven 5 coming back to do a few more solo aerobatics, and I promised to note that, of course, as an individual aircraft, this is also a super performer.
Oh, look at the little heart, Dean.
We were chatting about G-forces last night, and just bear in mind that all of you are weighing about, or experiencing 1G, that's just your own body weight, but as these guys pull a tight corner, of course that exceeds 2, 3, 4 times your own body weight,
really comes back.
And it gets to be quite uncomfortable. That's just positive. You can train for that, so you can grunt and groan and stress, but keep your eyes open to the left-hand side now. Sid calling them back in.
They're going round each other.
Carrying out the cyclone barrel rolling around the formation.
That way, I think. Oh, there.
Goes, just calling them back in, and once they complete this, you'll see Raven 5 diving back in to catch up with the formation so that he gets in position for them to complete. And you can see him hovering high in the sky over on the right-hand side of the formation right now, and you'll see him swoop down very shortly to join in the back end of the formation.
Well, there's one.
Once they're back in with all 5 aircraft together, they'll come back into the middle for after a wing over, and then one of the first really good photo opportunities, the looping bomb burst. That's the formation now, all ready to go into the next manoeuvre. And again, they'll be adjusting for the winds. A very strong wind there coming from their left-hand side, so they'll be adjusting to make sure they fly straight out to stand by for it. So they'll be pulling up as if going into the loop, but stand by for a great photo shot.
Wow! Whoa!
Absolutely superb.
That's lovely, that.
How strong that wind is and the smoke drifting off to your left.
That's nice, that.
4-5 now, left and right of you, then what's going to be a half Cuban, and then they'll cross over right in front. So they're putting over the top, all the world's gone upside down, and they put a little check-in at the top of that, they turn it to 180 degrees.
Don't know what the other one is.
Make sure they can see each other, and then they aim just to miss each other right in the middle.
Oh! Did you see it? I didn't get it actually.
Raven 2 is Steve Lloyd. He flew with some of these guys in a different display team some years back, a businessman now who...
Team Raven. See you later.